Are we gonna do your hair? Honestly, it's been so long since I've done her hair. I've just been leaving it all natural and down. I haven't been putting it back or anything. So today we're gonna do it. I think I'm just gonna do one pony because we're just going to the park. So I want something simple. First, I'm just gonna spray her hair with some water. That way I can be able to like comb it up. Now I'm using the Rizos Curls Refresh and Detangle Spray. I'm almost out of this and I really need to order some more because this is all I've used on her hair for months now. We're seriously obsessed. Whoa. It's so hydrating. It's so good to just refresh her curls like the next day. I'm going to take this Tangle Teaser brush and just kind of gently detangle her hair. There's a little bit of light hold gel from Rizos Curls just so it stays all day. Yep, I still have my broken smoothing brush for those who know. I'm going to pull out just a little bit of edges and then smooth the rest back. I got these cute little silk scrunchies off of Amazon. They are linked in my storefront. I think you get like a pack of like 100, but they can match any outfit and they're good for their hair, like less tension. And time for the edges, I also use the Rizos Curls Light Hold Gel. Just put a little on my hand and then use a baby toothbrush. Have a good day.
Bye.
Mwah.